Hello iPhone users, in this video I will tell you a feature that will help you to turn on a background sound like of any ocean or rain, right? So let's do it together. Open your settings and now you have to slide it down to tap on accessibility, where you will get an option of audio and visual, right? You tap on audio and visual and you see option of background sound. It is turned off right now, so let's turn it on, which actually says that it plays background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. These sounds can minimize distraction and help you to focus, be calm or rest. Now see, you have option of sound, which sound you want, and the sound you select its volume. As you can see, rain volume, it is mentioned in the third highlighted area, right? Below that is the mentioning of use when media is playing, so you can turn it on if you want it off or on. So right now I'm selecting a sound. I can download the sound. So I'm downloading rain sound. The blue tick, whichever it has, will be selected, right? So below the use when media is playing, you can see there is mention of that with media, what can be the volume, right? And you can hear the sample as well. So it is mentioned play sample. So this is all the feature, and also it is mentioned in the last stop sounds when logged. So when the phone is logged, then there should be no sound from the phone, as disturbance will be created, right? And in the background of this video you can hear the sounds coming of ocean, rain, right? So that is how we use this features. And in the gadgets option we have the option of background sound, whichever we can select right away. See you in the next video. Ta-da!